These are some of Michaela's favorite little fireworks. She's not crazy about the loud noise, so these are perfect. These are, you want to tell them, Michaela?
These are snake ones. And,
black snake.
And you light them, and then it looks like the snake is coming up from the ground.
Okay.
Here, let's move these two real quick.
Oh, that might not have been a... You want to hold the camera?
Here. So we have to put it on both ends because it doesn't work.
You got to make sure you light it really well.
So it comes out.
There it goes. Look, there it is, guys. And see, that's the snake coming out. It's pretty cool. And like I said, Michaela does not like loud noises, so.
That's what we heard. That's not happening. I wonder what happened.
Look at that. Isn't that pretty neat? Is that your favorite, Michaela?
Yeah.
Look at how big that one is. Oh my goodness.
It usually stops by now.
I know. I don't think it's a snake. I think it's a dragon.
Or we just lit it too good.
Look. Should I go ahead and get the other one going?
Yeah.
Okay, Kelsey picked this one out. Oh, I couldn't read what it was called. It was called Happy something. Oh, that's cute. Okay, here's this one. You just open up the lid and light it. I have no idea what it does. Sometimes I try to Google videos and see what's going on before I actually light them, but I did not do that to this one. Oh, that's pretty. So actually a while ago we said the snake was one of her favorites, but this is actually her all-time favorite. Because it's not loud.
You light it and then like these little balls of color go out.
Okay, let's show them. You ready? And we always like to hold it away from us, at least for the first time, to make sure that it's coming out the right end. But let's see. All right, you got it? Okay, this is a large friendship fountain. So I thought I got a pack of firecrackers that went up in the sky, because that's what the lady that was selling them told me that they did. But it turns out that that's not the case, that they are pretty much all fountain ones. Oh, that one's pretty neat, Kelsey. Pretty much, they're all fountain. Okay, here's another one that I have never seen before. They're sky lanterns. Unique and long-lasting, made of non-flammable, biodegradable paper.
You can buy different kinds, like their hearts and stuff like that.
Pretty interesting. We're going to get it together and put it together, and we will get right back to y'all. It's going to be so cool if it works.
Yeah.
Really lit now.
Okay.
You can feel it? See, a while ago I messed it up because
Try and let go.
Too early and it went down. And once this rips a hole, it doesn't float. It's kind of like what are those hot air balloons? I should call Amanda and ask her if she can see it. Look, it's getting fat, you see?
You should try and let it go, maybe.
It's really lit.
Here.
Floating. It's floating.
Oh, it's going down.
It's working. Watch your foot, babe. Look, that is awesome. It's so high. Kelsey, you see it?
You should tell Amanda.
Call Amanda, Kelsey, and tell Amanda look outside. It's going so far away.
Here it goes.
You came out right in time, Julian. We needed your help.